Hi everybody, this is Ginger from SoulShineGifts.com, and today's topic is sea salt. I send out sea salt in little mini cleansing crates every month that you can find on SoulShineBoxes.com. We send you a box of monthly energetic tools to clear negative energy out of your house. Why do we do that? Because your house collects energy. Everything is energy. We're all connected with energy. So today we're going to talk about the major cleanser that I love to send out to people. I use it in my house all the time. It's my favorite product in the universe to use. And here's why it works. It clears out negative, yucky, nasty, stuck energy, and it's so easy. I send you this little tiny packet of sea salt. You can get sea salt at any store. You can get iodized sea salt, you can get dead sea salt, you can get pure sea salt that comes in the little shakers for dinner. Sea salt is sea salt. It does the same thing. It cleanses energy, it purifies, which is the whole point of using it. So I want to show you how to use sea salt. All right, so here we go. I like to pour it in a bowl so I can get my hands in it. You're going to go to your front door to use this sea salt. And the reason we start at the front door is because the door is the mouth of the house. It's where all the energy goes in and out of your house. So pretend this is your house, all right? This is your front door. You're going to sprinkle sea salt like this, like you're sprinkling it on food. I like to say, I clear out all this negative energy from my house. I call in only beauty, love, and light to fill my house with beautiful, wonderful energy. So you're going to follow your baseboards. These are the baseboards of the house. They'll take you all the way around your house. Start your front door, go counterclockwise, and the reason you're going counterclockwise is to clear negative energy. Go all the way around your house. So when you get to your kitchen, you want to sprinkle sea salt in your cabinets. You want to open them up and sprinkle that sea salt in all your cabinets. Just throw some in there. Throw some in your sink. I throw it in my oven. I put it in my microwave. I put it in all those open spaces that hold on to energy. As humans, we dump our emotional energy everywhere, and our houses are full of it. If you're moving into a brand new house that hasn't been cleansed, then you have somebody else's energy that built your house in there, or you have no energy. So sea salt will help clear out whatever was left there before you moved in, and will let you put your own energy in there much easier. It will also make you clean like a freaking maniac, all right? Because sea salt inspires you to move energy. So we're going to sprinkle sea salt like we're sprinkling it on food. I had one lady who was a scientist who thought it would be really cool to make piles of sea salt all through her house. And she told me, Ginger, you have to send me like 30 more packets of sea salt because this is not enough. I was like, what are you doing with it all? Piles of sea salt in your house. So no, you just have to use a little, like you're sprinkling on food. So when you get to your living room, or your dining room, or your family room, wherever your people gather, you can sprinkle sea salt on your furniture. You can sprinkle it on the carpet or your hardwood floors. It won't hurt any of it. Stay away from your plants, from your fish. If you have birds, keep it away from them, or tropical creatures, because sometimes it's too harsh for them. It will kill your plants, so keep it away from your plants. But all your furniture collects energy as well. So make sure you sea salt your furniture if this is the first time you're doing it. When you get to bedrooms, you want to sprinkle sea salt in the closets. Closets hold energy. Not only do they hold energy, but we close the door on them. So we lock that energy in there. You have all your clothes in there. The thing that you wear all the time that has energy all over it is sitting in a space where you close a door and it just sits in there. So if you've had a bad day and you wore your favorite suit to work and then you took it off and you hung up the jacket in your closet, you just closed all that negative energy in with all your other clothes and it's all contaminated with negative energy. So just throw some in your closet. When you do the beds, I also like to make a circle around the bed to protect my energies. So spirits don't bother me, negative energies don't come to me in the night because I'm a medium, so ghosts come in and talk to me. Don't throw it in the bed. It's no fun to sleep on. Throw it underneath it. That will clear out the energy as well. For children's rooms, you can do the same thing. Put sea salt around the bed in a circle. It keeps them nice and safe, makes them more protected energetically because children are so open. I like to put sea salt in the windowsills of the bedrooms to protect my energy. So then if you have a basement or a garage, you of course want to go down the stairs, sprinkle it all the way down the stairs, go into the garage, sprinkle it in there. You can put it in your bathroom, put it in the bathtub, put it in the sink, put it in the commode, throw it under any cabinets, and then go all the way back to your front door. So you're going to do a great big circle around your house with your sea salt, sprinkling it, not making piles, just sprinkle it like it's on food. Calling in your guides and angels to help you clear the energy. You can say the Lord's Prayer, you can say I bless the space in love and light, whatever makes you feel like you are cleaning your space. When you get to your front door, I like to open up the door and make either the sign of the cross at my front door. Sometimes I put a star, sometimes I put a money sign if I'm needing money. Just depends on whatever hits me. All of those things represent what it is you want to bring into your house. When you're all done sea salting, you can throw away your sea salt, or you can just leave it out in whatever room you think feels the worst so it can collect energy. I recommend leaving your house, just let it all sit. Keep a window open, let the energies go out of it. When you come back, you want to burn a pink candle or a green candle or both in your house. Pink raises love vibrations, so if you scent it with rose or lavender, it's going to feel good. If you burn a green candle, do it on your stove. Make sure it has a bay, cedar, or pine scent. That all attracts money. So you can raise up all the energy in your house. And that is how sea salt works. Happy salting, everybody. I hope you really enjoy it. If you need sea salt, you can find it on our website at soulshinegifts.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Come check us out at soulshinegifts.com if you're looking for candles, oils, sage, incense, interesting gifts, unique metaphysical items. We have all of that and more. And not only that, if you like an entire box delivered to your house, we sell subscription boxes also filled with yummy energy, delightful gifts, products to make your soul shine. Check us out at soulshinegifts.com or look for our subscription boxes at soulshineboxes.com.